So we want to draw negative 210 degrees in standard position. So if we were dealing with the positive measure of 210, we know that that's between 180 and 270. It's somewhere in this quadrant. So that means we would have gone a full 180 plus some into the third quadrant if we were going in the positive direction. But this time we're going to go in the negative direction. So we're going to go negative 180 plus a little extra. So again, for standard position, we start with our vertex at the origin. We have our positive x-axis for the initial side. And again, we're going a full 180 in the negative direction, and then an additional 30 degrees in the negative direction. So this is 45. We're not quite 45. We're going to be about 15 degrees less. So it'll be somewhere about here. And then this, right? So we indicate that it's negative 210 by starting at our initial side and drawing our arrow in this direction, saying it's a negative 210 degree angle. So this one actually, its terminal side lies in quadrant 2. So when you're thinking about drawing the negative 210 degrees, it's just going to be in the position, its terminal side is going to be in the position of a reflection about the x-axis for it drawn in a positive direction. Okay, let's look at one more example. In this example, we want to draw the angle 9 pi over 4 in standard position. 9 pi over 4, maybe we don't have the best idea where this is because we're dealing with radians. So we can always convert this to degrees. So to convert this to degrees, we are going to multiply by 180 degrees divided by pi. I know that the pi's will cancel. 4 goes into 180 45 times. So we're left with 9 times 45 degrees. So what is that? 45 times 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 9 times 4 is 36, and 4 is 405. So we get a 405 degree angle. Now, interestingly enough, 405, that's greater than a full rotation. It's more than 360 degrees. And it's more by 45, right? 405 minus 360 is 45 degrees. So that means that our angle is actually going to be more than a full rotation around the unit circle. And it's going to be more by 45 degrees. So vertex at the origin, initial side along the positive x-axis, as it always is for standard position. And then we're going to just draw a 45 degree angle. So we have this angle here. Now, in order to indicate that it's a measure of 9 pi over 4, again, this is a positive measure, we're going to show that we do a full rotation plus a little bit extra. So we did a full rotation plus the extra 45 degrees. And that gives us a measure of 9 pi over 4. So this is our angle drawn in standard position for 9 pi over 4 radians, or 405 degrees.